Hi everyone, just wanted to do a really quick video on how to review samples in the Review Samples menu. So I'm going to open Sysmex, and let's say that I want to look at how I have done spiking a particular analyte over multiple steps. So I can highlight my samples sequentially or out of order by holding down the Control key and highlighting samples and get the arrow key on there. Now what we do is we go to Run, Grid Review by Test, or Grid Review by Sample. I prefer Grid Review by Sample because it puts the sample numbers across the top and the tests along the side. And so let's say I am interested in how well I'm doing on spiking CK. I don't need to look at all of the tests because there's a lot here, but I can go up to the top, find CK, should have picked one that was closer to the top, and I can look at how I'm doing spiking that across these steps from step 13 to step 18. And as you can see, I started out at 104 and I've migrated up to about 160. And in this window, you can see you have two buttons, Formatted Entry and Entry. Formatted Entry is after any rounding has taken effect. It should only take effect on averages. But if you're interested in seeing what the actual entered result was, if you've got a less than or a greater than value, you can see those by clicking there. And it would show if there were a less than value, if it was less than 3 and the actual value was 1, you would see the 1 there. But the formatted entry would show that it's less than 3. So that is how you review results for multiple samples for any particular lot folder. You can do that through that menu item, Run, Grid Review by Test, or Grid Review by Sample. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's by test. It gets kind of long because the tests are across the top. So that's why I like the other one better. Anyway, you have any questions? That's how you can review multiple results for multiple samples in one window. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.